Think about it. You overpay for a service you barely use, then get hit with another charge for wanting to, use your own money. Frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you there's a bank that throws those fees out the window? A bank built for the digital age, focused on making your life easier, not more expensive. Intrigued? Then buckle up because today, we're diving into the world of Relay. Specifically, we're tackling how to send money with Relay, because let's face it, who doesn't need a quick and painless way to send some cash? Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. We'll mostly be focusing on domestic transfers today, but don't worry, international transfers are an option too, and we'll touch on that briefly as well. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. Sending money with Relay is all about convenience. They've ditched the clunky interfaces and confusing menus, leaving you with a streamlined process that takes mere minutes. So, whether you're splitting the rent with roommates, sending a birthday gift to a loved one, or paying back that friend who covered your lunch, Relay makes it a breeze. Here's the breakdown. Step 1. Logging in. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Relay account. If you're new to the game, don't worry, signing up is a walk in the park. Just download the app or head to their website and follow the prompts. Once you're in, it's smooth sailing. Step 2. Accessing the payment panel. Alright, with your shiny new account or your trusty existing one, navigate to the Payments tab. This is your mission control for sending and receiving money. Step 3. The wonderful world of payees. Now, this is where things get interesting. Here, you'll be setting up your payees, which are basically the lucky recipients of your generosity, or maybe you're paying a bill, no judgment here. If you're sending money to someone for the first time, you'll need to add them as a payee. The process is simple. Just provide their name and either their bank account information or their email address if they're also a Relay user. Step 4. Choosing your weapon, payment method. Once your payee is prepped and ready, it's decision time. Relay offers two main methods for domestic transfers, ACH transfer and domestic wire transfer. ACH transfers are the classic choice. They're generally free, hallelujah for free things, but they can take a couple of business days to arrive. Perfect for situations where speed isn't a major concern. Domestic wire transfers, on the other hand, are the express lane. Your money gets there lightning fast, usually within the same business day. However, there is typically a fee associated with wire transfers, so keep that in mind. Step 5. Money matters, amount and frequency. Now for the fun part, entering the amount you want to send. Just type in that magic number and decide if this is a one-time transfer or a recurring payment, like a monthly rent contribution. Step 6. Review and send off. Before hitting that glorious send button, Relay will give you a quick summary of everything, the amount, the recipient, the chosen payment method. Double check everything looks good, and then with a tap, your money is on its way. Bonus round, international transfers. As promised, a quick word on international transfers. The process is quite similar, but there are a few additional things to consider. International wires typically take a bit longer and may incur higher fees, so be sure to factor that in. Relaying the benefits. So, there you have it. Sending money with Relay is a straightforward and user-friendly experience. No more bank fees eating into your hard-earned cash, and no more wrestling with confusing interfaces. Plus, with their mobile app, you can send money on the go, anytime, anywhere. It's the kind of convenience we all deserve in today's fast-paced world. The final word. Whether you're a tech whiz or a digital newbie, Relay makes sending money a breeze. So, ditch the frustration of traditional banks and join the Relay revolution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy sending.